Xiaomi is set to revolutionize kitchen hygiene with its latest innovation, the Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine. Scheduled to launch its crowdfunding campaign in just 4 days, this innovative device is poised to make food preparation safer and more convenient than ever before. One of the standout features of the Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine is its adaptability. It can be easily mounted on a wall or placed on a countertop, ensuring it seamlessly integrates into any kitchen layout. This versatility extends to its dual cleaning heads, allowing users to simultaneously clean meat and vegetables, reducing both preparation time and the risk of cross-contamination. At the heart of this device lies its variable frequency motor, which generates a powerful water flow for thorough cleaning. Impressively, it achieves a remarkable cleaning efficiency rate of 94.8%, guaranteeing that your food items are free from contaminants. The machine employs cutting-edge chlorine dioxide and light-based water ion purification technologies, eliminating harmful substances such as bacteria, pesticides, hormones, and heavy metals, all without the need for detergents. The Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine further elevates its cleaning prowess by producing high-energy microbubbles with exceptional adsorption properties. These microbubbles reach into every nook and cranny, effectively dislodging sediment from hard-to-reach areas, thus improving water ion diffusion and purification. To top it off, an extra-large 34 cm electrolytic plate releases an ample quantity of sterilizing ions, ensuring maximum purification effectiveness. In the area of user-friendliness and convenience, this device doesn't disappoint. Smart connectivity allows users to select from multiple cleaning programs tailored for different types of food items, complete with precise timings. Whether you're washing fresh fruits and grains in just 6 minutes or giving hard-shelled seafood a thorough clean in 15 minutes, this machine has you covered. Even meat and vegetables can be efficiently cleaned in a mere 8 minutes, ensuring that the hustle and bustle of meal preparation is streamlined and hygienic. But the Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine doesn't stop at cleaning alone. It offers drying and heating functions, ensuring that your food items are not only clean, but also ready for immediate use or cooking. Moreover, its ventilation feature promotes fresh air circulation, effectively preventing bacterial growth and maintaining the highest standards of food safety. This innovative kitchen appliance, the Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine, comes with a price tag of 449 yuan, which is approximately $61. At this affordable price point, it offers a remarkable range of features and capabilities that make it a compelling addition to any modern kitchen. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, versatility, and user-centric appearance, Xiaomi's Mijia fruit and vegetable cleaning machine is set to redefine kitchen cleanliness and convenience. As the crowdfunding campaign approaches, eager consumers can anticipate a new era of food preparation that's safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable than ever before. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.